Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please press that subscribe button and also that bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video, which is every single day. And I also incorporate singing into all of my videos. So I know I'm kind of looking a little uneven. I have taken off everything on my face. So yeah, this is my face. Anyways, we're going to be talking about two different products today, both from the same company. One is a velvety soft and the other one is a whipped mousse. They're both foundations. What we're going to do is we're going to put half face, one on one side and one on the other, and see which one we like best. And I know you're going to tell me, right? You're going to sound off in the comments and let me know, because, you know, sometimes your girl has problems with getting ready. I do. We all do. So sound off in the comments and let me know which side you prefer. Now I am going to apply them both with the same brushes. We're going to use these brushes and also my squishy, of course. And we're going to apply them the same, exactly the same. We're also going to use the same primer so that everything is the same except for the two foundations. All right, first let's prime this bad boy. We're going to go in with our First Solly Unicorn Essence. Now the reason why I like this as my everyday primer is because it's super tacky and it allows the foundation to really stick to it and last all day. So we're gonna go in with this one. I'm only gonna use a small amount, but you will get to see that. Yes, you. I'm in a really good mood. How many of you guys are in a good mood today? Right here, bam, I am. All right, so giving her a little bit of squish, 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 squish. We're gonna apply it to both sides of our face so that both of these foundations have something to stick to. Okay. Try not to mess up my eyebrows, girls. Now, this doesn't feel tacky right now, but once it dries down, girl, I'm gonna show you. This First Solly Unicorn Essence is where it's at, girl. I'm telling you. I have yet to find a primer that is as tacky as this one. Like, legit. I have yet to find one. If you know of a primer that is as tacky as this when I show you, please drop it in the comments and let me know. I am always on the lookout for a good pore filler / primer. So if you know a really good one, drop it in the comments and let me know. All right, so my primer has dried down. Okay, are you ready for this? I'm gonna show you guys just how tacky this stuff is. Ready? Do you see that? Perfect for a foundation to stick to it, and it will last all day, girl. I promise you, it will last all day. For this side of my face, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Dream Velvet. Now, this is their Dream collection. This is a dream as well, and this is also a dream. Let's go ahead and read the back and enlighten ourselves. Innovation, our first gel whipped foundation. Fresh and flawless, Dream Velvet whips a fresh gel into a velvet soft texture. Complexion is perfect and smooth with a soft matte finish, just like velvet. Skin feels fresh with lasting hydration. Now, girl, that is a huge claim for this little bitty bottle. We are just going to see how she works. Now we're gonna go in with a flat foundation brush. I'm just going to apply this to my brush, directly to my brush. Okay, now we're gonna go in on this side and just paint it on, girl. Paint that on. Paint it on. Now this is not a color that I would wear every single day. They were out of my shades, so I went one darker. And I mean, you can tell that it's one darker. So we're just going to do half of the face, half the nose. And then we're gonna go in and blend with our blender brush. Now already I can tell you that whatever is in this has like a cooling feeling to it. Not so much as like a muscle, you know, those minty like point relief for achy muscles. It's not that menthol-y, but you can definitely feel a cooling sensation on the face, which I absolutely love because it's refreshing. And if you're having a slow start in the morning, girl, this will wake you up. Okay, so going in with our squishy, and we're just gonna blend this out and then get up for a closer look and see how she performed. I'm already loving this. I'm already loving it. Oh my god, you guys, my face feels so smooth. It feels legit like velvet. Like, I am so in love with this product. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to go get my shade. But I just wanted to show you guys how well this performs. So, zooming on in for a closer look. It is beautiful, beautiful. It is, wow. Wow, girl. Not too often does a foundation wow me. But if you are like me and have dried skin, then I really would, like, legit, I would recommend this for you. Because this is, I'm loving it. I want to put it on the other side of the face, but we cannot forget our other product, so we are going to do it on this side. Now we are going to do the same thing with the same brush and the same squishy. All right, guys, first of all, this looks like whipped cream. Like, legit, it looks like whipped cream. Ooh, wow, this brush grabs a lot, girl. Oh my god, okay. So, let's see how this side works. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. Well, this is a mousse, so I know that you have to really work it in. Probably gonna have to go in with my other brush for this side. I know I said that I was gonna do it with the same products, but you know, trial and error, you find which brushes work well with which products. And girl, this brush is not working out right for me. I feel like it's just laying it on the top of my skin without like buffing it into it, if that makes sense. Okay, well, she worked out just fine. I'm just being a drama queen. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our damp squishy and blend this sucker into perfection. Don't worry about hitting your face too hard, girl. I promise I won't tell nobody. Because I do it. Legit. If you could hear how hard I'm beating my face right now, you would understand. But girl, I want this stuff to blend and work itself in. I noticed that it's drying very quickly and it's a little bit harder to, you know, buff it around and move it all over your skin. This is a little bit more difficult. Nothing that we can't handle though. Hey guys, moving on in for a closer look. This is the mousse side. Now honestly, looking up closely, I cannot tell the difference between the two. Like looking up close, they both have similar finishes. Okay, well, there's one thing that I did notice. This side covered up my dark circle. This side did not. That's one thing that I'm loving about this one. All right, guys, to make this fun, we are going to be using emojis in our comments today. This is not American Idol. No, I know that. Okay, so if you like this one, which is this side of my face, go ahead and drop me a heart eyes emoji in the comments below. And if you liked this side, which is the mousse, go ahead and drop me a blue heart emoji. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you're not already subscribed, please push that subscribe button and also that bell so that you can be notified every time I come up with a new video, which is every single day. And also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked what you've seen. I love spending every single moment that I can with all of my lovelies. So, till next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.